Hello guys, so in a few minutes I'm going to teach you how to create a investment website. So this is the website we're going to be creating in this video. I'm going to teach you everything from scratch: how to purchase a domain name, get a web hosting, how you could actually get the file, upload the file, then start setting it up so that your user can actually come to your website and invest. Now this website can actually be used for an investment website, a Ponzi website, P2C website, and MLN website. So depending on what you want to use it for, this this website is actually okay and good for it. So guys, this is the website, and let's dive right into the tutorial. So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So let me start by explaining how you could get a domain name, how you could get a web hosting, before we can head to our C panel and start building the website. So now the first thing you want to do is to go to this link, namecheap.com, or just click on the link in the description, and you'll be brought to this website where you can next search for your domain name. So now for this domain name, you could search for any name that comes to your mind. Maybe peterinvestment.com, Dari Invest, whatever you want to use, you can use. For this, I already have my own domain name, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can get this domain name. So let's assume you're using let's assume you're using darinvestment.com. Now you're going to click on search to see if the domain name is available. Now if the name is available, that's when you can purchase it. So I've clicked on search, and then we'll wait for the platform to actually check if the name is available. So as you can see, it is registered in 2022, so it's not available. So if we remove something like Dari investment, as you can see, it's available. Now it's available for $9.98. So in naira, this should be about, let's say, 10,000 naira there about. Now once you don't click on add to cart, now you're successfully added the domain name to cart. Now you want to come to hosting, click on shared hosting. Because you're building a simple investment website, you really do not need too much of the whole hosting package. So a shared hosting should be enough. So you want to come here, click on get started on the first plan, and the first plan is cheap and easy. So let me go back and then explain the plans to you. So as you can see, the first plan could actually carry 3 websites, and you get some domain name for free, like a .font domain, a .host, .online. Any of these domain extensions you get for free. So you have 3 websites, then you have 20 gig SSD, 30 mailbox, and you have a website builder. So this should be enough for you. A Stellar starter plan should be enough for you. So you can also use a Stellar Plus. This is actually more expensive, so you could use it, and everything you have is unlimited. Or you can use a Stellar Business. Now for that, we select this. As you can see, we select this, and then we have it added to our cart. And it for the domain name, because every hosting need to have a domain name, so the domain name has been attached to the hosting, so it will be easier for us to just check out. So now we have this 27.92. so this is very, very cool. So last I did, this was 35, but now it's 27, so the prices have actually reduced. So now you click on add to cart. Now once it adds to cart, you make your payment. Now for Nigerians, they are not allowed to pay with their card. I think there's a ban for it if you're in Nigeria, so you can pay with Bitcoin, but other countries can literally pay with card, so they are very cool paying with card. So once you come here, click on confirm order. It will ask you to create your account and then use your card to make payment, and then you do that. As you can see, create your account. So I already have an account, so there's no need for me to do this. So once you do it, you'll be given a cPanel where you're going to log in. So the cPanel will look something like this. As you can see, this is a proper example of a cPanel. So it will look exactly like this. So this is what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Now after having your cPanel, you want to start the development process of this investment website. So you go to your file manager. This is where you upload all the files given. So I'm going to open this in a new tab and then go to my file manager. So now this is what I'm going to be using, the domain I'm going to be using for this. Now for your own part, because you are just doing it for the first time, you have your website located on the public_html. So you have it located this area, public_html. But I'm not doing this website for the first time. I already have a website. Remember, under our plans we have about 3 domain name. If you remember correctly, on our hosting, shared hosting, we have about 3 domain names. So this hosting can literally manage 3 website, 3 domain name, 3 websites to it. So that's what I literally am doing here. So now I have 3 domain name attached to this website. So guys, after doing that, I'm going to go to the files I want to use, or the name I want to use, and when I come here, I want to upload the file. Now where do we get the file from? So you just go to cody.africa. As you can see, cody.africa. This is a template website and you have a lot of free templates here. So you go there. Now you scroll downward. As you can see, you have some free templates here. So you also have some premium ones. So this is the one I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So I'm going to click on it. Now once I click on it, now it's loading. As you can see, it has loaded. This is it. 56 people seen in 2 hours. So I'm going to click on add to cart. Now it's added to cart. So from cart, I'm going to view it. So let's see. So view cart. So then I'll make the necessary information. So now proceed to checkout. So I'm going to click proceed to checkout. Now I'm going to enter my name. As you can see, it is free. Then I'm going to place checkout. So with that, I am done. So I already downloaded this thing on my laptop. So let me use. So now I'm going to feed this information. So I'm actually thinking of the email I'm going to use for this. So that's one thing I'm actually thinking. So I have one. Now once that is done, you click on place order. So as you can see, I've literally filled out the document. I click on place order. As you can see, order number, the date, the time. So once I come here, I'll just click on download. So I'm just going to select it. So once I click on download, so it will start downloading in minutes. Sorry, you have reached your download limit for this shop, for this file. Go to shop. Okay, it has actually entered my email, so let me open the email. So I successfully downloaded the file to my computer. So the next thing is to go to my cPanel, click on upload, and from upload area I'm going to click on select file. So this is the file. I'm just going to click on it and then click on open. So once I click on open, it's going to load. So let's give it some time to load. So now we have it completely uploaded. So I'm going to click go back. Now once I click go back, I have the file right here. So the next is to extract the file here. So once you extract the file, now while it is extracting, we could go back to our cPanel and just create a database for it. So just type in database. I'm going to open this in a new tab so we can create a database for our website. So let's go back. It's still extracting. Sometimes it's slow. Sometimes it might be slow due to network issue. Other times due to the hosting. So you just have to be patient. So now come here, type in the database you want. So I'm going to call this HYIP RO. So I'm done with this. Click on next. So now you still give it the same name, so it will be easier for you to remember. So put the username, put the password, click on create user. Now while this is working, we could go back and check. Okay, this is still extracting, so we allow this to load. So as you can see, we have our user. So the last part is click on all privilege and then click on make change. So before this load, we have to go back to this, come here, click on close, reload. And once you reload, you go into the file, select all the files in it. So you click on move, remove this part, then click on move files. So now all the files here will be moved on to the main folder. So once it's moved to the main folder, you go back to the main folder, you look for the .env file. This is the one. So you click on it, you click on edit. So once you click on edit, you click on the edit button here. Now remember the username, the database we created. So you're going to copy this, come here, come here. Now go to where you have database, so you put it here. Now go to where you have username, put it here, because we use the same username and the same database. So now you go to here, the password you use for creating your database, you put it here. Then the next part is you come here, you type in the name of your website. So I'm gonna call this Then the last part is your domain name. So what's your domain name? So this is the one I'm using for this tutorial, so I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, we have this. So now everything has been set to what we want. So now you can set your email from this area if you want to, but I could still set it from my admin panel, so no big deal. Once you're done, you click on save changes. Now you have everything done. So you go back to your database, then you click on make changes. So once you click on make changes, it will actually save this and then create a admin panel or MySQL, the actual MySQL data part for this platform. So now we could go back here and type in MySQL, PHP my admin. So this is where we are coming next. So now on this place, we could actually upload the database of this file. Now to get the database, you just have to come here, click on DB. Now inside DB, you have the database here. So you want to click on it and then click on download. So now it has actually been downloaded. So you come here, you upload this from this area. So now while it's still loading, I want to show you one other thing you will do. So you go to this place, select multi PHP. Now this is the multi PHP manager. So you want to select the multi PHP manager so you can change the PHP version of that particular site. So the PHP version that is recommended for this is 8.0 and 8.1, but some files will use 7.4, but this one actually specified. So I'm going to come down here, click on this and then enter the file. Okay, it's already 8.1. So now we already have it at 8.1. So I'm going to go back. Now for this, I have this here. Okay, so let's upload our file. Click on upload. Then this is it. You click on it and open. Then you scroll downward and click on import. So now we have it installed. So the next thing is now to visit your website. So we'll go to the file, install the file. So copy the site URL and then open it in a new incognito tab. So this is our website. Still loading. So now we can literally register. So let's use some demo information. So now while this is loading, I could go to an incognito tab, then open the admin there. So let me copy the URL here. And the reason I'm going to an incognito tab is because I don't want both of the accounts to load at the same place. So now as you come here, you type in the admin. So you see your website name /admin. So you click on enter and allow it to load. So I think this information is correct. So got it. So let me remove this. You need to submit your KYC document. Okay, so this is the site we are actually working on: total deposit, total investment, total return. It's more of a P2P Ponzi. So as you can see, you could deposit, you could invest. Now I'm going to show you how you could change a lot of these things. So this is most of the things you do: wallet exchange, send money log, withdraw log, banking badge, referral, setting, support ticket. So basically this is it. I'm a level 1, so I'm gonna do this later. So let me click on every one of them and show you one after the other. So now to deposit money, you can deposit using various deposit means, but most people that does this kind of investment website, they use direct bank account. So you can add your payment gateway from the admin, enter your amount and proceed to payment. Now also to invest now, okay, because you have not submitted your KYC, because it's mandatory, you can actually set that from your admin not to be mandatory. So Shima log, all transaction, add money. So you can literally add money, and this is your wallet exchange. Let me see. This is your withdrawal log. So I'm having slow load time because of my network connection. I'm having bad network today, so I really do not understand what's going on. So this is it. Wallet profit, you enter your amount, you enter where you want to. I think this script, this file is actually cool. Your ranking badge, so this tells how what level of status you are. So then as you can see, you have the member sign up, you have the loader, captain, Hyip, Victor. So you can set this as an admin, so your users can actually come to your site and invest. So with all of that being said, now let's go to the admin and see how the admin look. So remember, we open a new incognito tab. So this is the admin. So the password should be something admin, then it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is it 8 or 9? Let me see. Is the admin 1 to 9, or okay, admin at is the admin.com. So I'm trying to record the demo password, so you can either check it from your MySQL database, which you can check it from here, which is the database. So this is it. You look for the admin area. So here's the admin located, the manager. So this is the admin. You click on admin and you can see the password, the username they make use of, or you can just go to the demo site and just check from there. Okay, admin at HROP. So this is the one they made use of. So I could literally copy it, go back to this site, paste it. So I think the password should still be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, because most of these scripts use that as a demo password. So if you don't get it right, you just have to go to Ivato and check the demo password actually set for the script. So once you check it, okay, provide credential not match your record. So let's go to Ivato. So let me go to so once I check the password, I'm going to show you. So I'll just click on this. So you just scroll downward from here. As you can see, this is it. The password is 128, so we missed one letter. So let's go back. Come here. I was contemplating between 128 then, so but it's 128. So now let's log into the admin. So now you have your admin. So the first thing you want to do is to go for your settings and add your cron job. So now if you go to your settings, you want to add your site settings, your cron jobs, that have every other necessary thing that actually make your platform automatic, because you don't want to manually change each of these payments. So the first, we have our dashboard. So this gives us a brief overview of our account. This was the account I registered. So I have not submitted the KYC because I made the KYC verified. The KYC important. So these are all your customers. You can send email to all your customers, and these are the KYC management. You could accept it from here or you could not. So here is your manager's account. You can add a new manager or a staff to your website. So here's your schema, so you can add those ones from here. Now here's your transaction, your investment, and your users profit. This is where they are all recorded. Now automatic gateway, this has to do with your payment, like Paystack and the straps, how you can collect money online. So Monify. So these are the payment gateway that are available that you're supposed to make use of. So then you also have your withdrawal. Now if someone requests a withdrawal, it's going to show up here. This is where you're going to accept the withdrawal. If it's automatic, it's going to work. If it's manual, you set them here, because this script actually has an automatic withdrawal system. So it's an advanced form and you want to try it out. So manage referrals. You want to be able to manage the level of referrals people actually are getting and are using. Now this next is your site setting. This is the most important part of your website. So here is change your logo. You have to turn off email verification. If you disable KYC, it's going to be disabled for your site. So your images, your color, your currency. So let me use NGN. So this is the Naira currency. So your site animation, your symbol, if you just use any Nigeria symbol. So you can set all this from here. So you could set your email. So you could set your site name, set your site email, which is the company email you created for your website. Now you can even move your site to maintenance mode if you are working on it. Now these are all of those settings. Now the next part underneath it is your email settings. This is where you set the email, either SSL or TSL, so that it can actually be sending mail to your client. So this is it. So you have to set this part, just change this Gmail to your domain name. 465 is okay, TSL is okay. Now put your email here, your support mail at your website.com. Then put the password which you use in opening the support mail here, and you're good. So the next part is, okay, you have SMS settings. You literally do not need SMS plugins. If you want to add some plugins, you can do that here, but literally do not need SMS settings. So if you want to add a chat system, Google Analytics, Google Recapture, Facebook Messenger, you can add them here. So the next part, I think, is the language settings. If you want to add the language, it's cool. Now if you want to add more pages like the About Us page, the Contact Us page, you can do them for here. Now you have themes, you have site themes. As you can see, this is the default theme we are actually making use of. If you don't like that, you could actually make use of this green one, or you can make use of this one. So there are 3 themes available for you that you could set. So but this is the default one, which is the one we're using currently. Now dynamic landing theme. So if you build your own theme, you can actually upload it from this part. So then you have your landing page. You have everything here. You can set each part of those page. Then you have your pages. You can edit any of them from here. You have your navigation menu. you have your footer content. Those are the content on the footer area. So if you go back to this site, let's say this, okay, this, so okay, you cannot see the footer here until you are logged out. So let me see. Let me see if I can log out. Okay, I can. So as you can see, everything here on this footer, you can literally change them from the admin area. So you have your clear cache, application details. If you want to add custom CSS to it, support again, when your customers message you from the front end, you see their message here. Then you can see all the subscribers. You can send push notification on the top of your website. You could configure your email template. So if you ask me, this is a very, very beautiful script that could actually help you creating investment website. And it's not limited to only investment website alone, like crypto investment. You could actually do any other form of investment, like P2P, P2P, P2C, MLM, and even the form of MMM, and even Ponzi with the script. So actually a good one. And you can also change the color, as you can see. It looks beautiful. So guys, I hope I've been able to explain these parts for you. As I said before, you could change all the right up here from your admin. Now landing page, so you could change everything from here, so from the admin area. So guys, I hope the video has been able to explain properly to you guys how you can actually create an investment website using the Hyip bureau, and then get people to actually perform on the website. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next video. So thanks for watching guys, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.